Here's how you can add an NFC card to Apple Wallet. First, open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to General. Select Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest available version of iOS. If an update is available, tap Update Now and wait for it to finish installing. Once your iPhone is updated, open the App Store and search for NFC Tools. Find the NFC Tools app and tap Get to install it. Double-click the side button to confirm the download and wait for the app to finish installing. Once NFC Tools is installed, open the app and select Read. Now, hold your NFC card near the top of your iPhone. The phone should detect the card automatically and display the available NFC information. After the card has been detected, open Apple Wallet and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Depending on the type of NFC card and Apple's support for that card, you may see an option to add or use it with Wallet. Keep in mind that not every NFC card can be added to Apple Wallet. That's all for this video. Thanks.